because I always hate it when people do cooking videos and they don't sample their food. I'll show you me taking a bite of my ribeye steak burrito with a fusion of Greek and Mexican flavors. Oh my. Going in for seconds. That is so good. Right here I got 3 ribeye steaks that I cut up, and I hit them with some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. This stuff is really good on both steaks and burgers. Right here I have a couple of whole jalapenos that are diced up and a big diced red pepper. I'm going to put that in and mix it all around. Alright, so we got the red pepper and jalapenos all mixed in there, and we're going to cook this until they're soft. I hit it again with some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Again, this stuff is so incredible on steak. To show you a little progress, again we got 3 half-inch cut ribeye steaks all cut up and put in there, along with some red pepper and jalapenos. It's going to be an awesome burrito. There we go. My 3 half-inch ribeye steaks that I diced up, along with the red pepper and jalapenos, is now done. That Cavender's Greek seasoning that we seasoned it with is going to pair really well with the habanero queso that we're making to go on the burrito. I'll be back. Look at that beauty. Oh. Alright. Our steak is done. We're going to cover that up while we heat up our habanero queso. We're using a 10-ounce can of hot Rotel and half this brick of Velveeta. We'll dice that cheese up and put it in a pot with the Rotel and melt it. There's our habanero queso, just about done. Heating my tortilla up on my flat top. There's our tortilla. There's our rice. There's our Mexican cheese blend. Some spicy nacho Doritos to give the burrito a little crunch. There's our steak, red peppers, and jalapeno peppers. There's our spicy habanero queso. Now I'm going to show you how to roll the perfect burrito. Alright, how to roll a burrito. The first thing you want to do is bring the sides up like this. Then you're going to bring the back all the way up to the front here like this. And then you're going to tuck it up and under. And then just roll. That's how you roll the perfect burrito. In a moment I'll take a bite. For my son's burrito I just rolled, I forgot to show myself adding some Taco Bell hot sauce to it, because I like it. And so I thought I'd show you it on mine. Thought I'd show you me rolling this one too. Again, you're going to bring the sides up like this, you grab the back, you pull it all the way forward, tuck your corners in a little bit, and boom. How to roll perfect burrito. One moment, I'll take a bite. Because I always hate it when people do cooking videos and they don't sample their food. I'll show you me taking a bite of my ribeye steak burrito with a fusion of Greek and Mexican flavors. Oh my. Going in for seconds. That is so good. The Cavender's Greek seasoning Goes really well with the Mexican flavors. I think it's a great fusion of flavors. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Alright, our cut up ribeye, red pepper, and jalapenos is all done. Again, we seasoned this with Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. It really blends well with the Mexican flavors of our jalapeno and Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.